Brothers here, and today we are here to introduce you to our session 1 of our Scratch programming session. This is episode 1, so let's just introduce to you this website called Scratch. This website is a simple beginner's website. We will leave the link below in the description for you guys to try it out too. So let's just introduce you to this Scratch first. After we'll just show you a little easy ways to how you can play around with this. After that, in following episodes, we will slowly advance in the level of difficulty. So let's just start here. So basically, this is an instruction, a simple programming that I've done. It's basically you need to wait 1 second. This cat figure. We'll have to wait 1 second, then move 10 steps, wait a second again, then turn 15 degrees, wait another second, and turn back 15 degrees. I've also put this to repeat 10 times. You can change the numbers according to what you want. So you can try this out first. This is one of the most basic you can do. So there are different types of starters. The starter we have used is the green flag one. So once I click the green flag over here, see the figure will start doing what we've told it to do. And then it does it. It keeps on repeating until I stop it. The way you can stop it is use this and stop. Okay. Then so we'll just introduce to you. Don't mind all the complicated stuff over here. We'll slowly introduce that to you. Another starting bar you can use is this. So if you put this, I do not need to click this icon anymore. I just need to click any bar and this. Yeah, and this program will start. So let's just try that. So I've put the space bar. So now I'm going to click the space bar, and when I click the space bar, it starts. And when I click the space bar again, it doesn't end. So we just need to click this to end. Okay, so let's just create another one here. Let's move this away. So let's move into motion. This is one of the most simplest that we can do. So I'm going to put this, except I'm going to put a little bit different. You can change the numbers as you like. I'm going to put 360 degrees so you can see the things spin around. And then you can also put move 10 steps. You can also put the number of steps you want. I'm just going to put maybe 25 steps just to see. Then we'll put because if you put it like this, it will react really quickly. That's exactly why we put 1 second over here. So if I do this, it just everything just finished. So I need to move this out. I will just put one second. You can also adjust this as well. All the numbers is adjustable. So let me just put 2 maybe. I'm gonna put this. Okay. So I'm gonna press play now. And let's see what happens. Oh wait, I pressed the wrong button. So yeah. So it moved 25 steps, but it didn't turn 360 degree. Okay. Okay guys, we figured out the problem. So what happened just now, I think it's a very important lesson for you guys as well. What happened just now is because we put 360, which is really close to the standing position, it didn't move at all. So now we tried it with 180 and it flips over, as you see, and then it's gonna turn because 360 is make a complete turn. You basically reach back in the same position. So the things that you don't need to move at all because it's the same effect. So just keep that in mind. So that's a very important lesson for all of us. You can also do some other things, like you can change up the costume. That means you can change up this cat's figures. You see, you can change it up. That's one thing you can do, which we'll cover later. You can also create different sounds for it. So let's just get into the programming part. So since we showed you a little bit of this, let's go into this. Or yeah, we can use we can also wait, where is that? Yeah, this is also a very useful one. So basically I can just use this and I can put it in over here, and this command will keep on repeating 10 times. until I stop it. So I can keep on making it repeat 10 times. I keep on making it keep on repeat 20 or 30 times. So we can also have a lot of fun with this. You can explore a lot. If you do have any questions, you can ask us. Anyway, we will be creating the episode number 2 soon. We will try to create as soon as possible. So I think this is all we have for today's episode. Try Scratch and hope you have fun with it. And that's the end of today's episode. Have a good day.